Well, my dear students, welcome to my class for 8th standard. Okay, this is the continuity of materials, metals and non-metals. In the last class, we have discussed about the these displacement reactions. What displacement reactions? In this class, I am going to discussing about uses of metals and non-metals. Uses of metals and non-metals. Non-metals. So, in displacement reactions, we observe more reactive elements or more reactive metals can replace the less reactive metals or less reactive elements, but less reactive elements does not replaces the or displaces the more reactive elements. In this class, the detailed study of uses of metals and non-metals. Uses of metals and non-metals. Already you know so many uses of metals. Okay, na? Can you tell or can you guess the uses of that metals? So first is metals. Metal uses. Uses, right? So, uses of metals. These metals are used in the machinery, where we use machinery. Machinery uses machinery, and these metals used for the made buildings, used in buildings, used in buildings. To build the buildings, we need the metals. Example, iron in machineries, and also automobiles. Automobiles, automobiles, cars, vehicles. All vehicles are made by these metals. Nowadays, plastic also used. Plastics, fibers, right? But the main things is the engines and etc. These are made by only metals. Okay, na? And the next is these metals are used in the satellites also. Satellites used in satellites. Okay, na? Next, industrial gadgets. Industrial gadgets. So many industrial gadgets, and containers used as containers, water containers, chemical containers, and also used in boilers, used in boilers, boilers for making of wires, for making of wires, and sheets, making of sheets. There are many uses of metals. Even our body also needs metals to survival or to prevent the some diseases. So iron, so the very important metal for our body also. This iron present in our red blood cells as a hemoglobin. Red blood cells, in this iron is present in our body in the form of hemoglobin. In the form of hemoglobin. Please remember this deficiency of iron. Deficiency of iron. Deficiency of iron. Deficiency of iron leads a disease, that is anemia. Anemia disease. This is a deficiency of iron. Okay, or red blood cells. It leads anemia and it causes death also. So many minerals. These metals are present as minerals in our body. How we get these metals? Through our diet or from the waters. We can have metals for our survival. Okay, now. So these are the some important uses of metals. Okay, one more important use, that is magnesium. Magnesiums. This magnesium is a metal you present in the chlorophyll. Where it is present? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Central metal atom. Central metal atom. Okay. This is what metal present in the plants. It is what present in the plants, right now. So and also non-metals uses of non-metals so many uses are present non-metals. So generally these are essential for our life, which all living beings inhale during the respiration. So what we inhale, oxygen, and what will comes out or from our body, that is carbon dioxide. These are all non-metals. Okay. And also non-metals used in the fertilizers. First one is non-metals is very important for our life. Is very important for our life, for breathing, right? In breathing what we inhale, that oxygen is a non-metal. So next is this non-metal used for the manufacture of fertilizers. These non-metals are used as fertilizers. Fertilizers are used to fertilizers are useful to plants to growth their or crop yielding or growth the plants. Non-metals are used as fertilizers. Okay. So next is these non-metals used in purification, water purification, water purification. Coal, like that coal used in water purifications. This is a very important use of this non-metals. Another one is non-metals used for the purple colored solution. Purple colored solutions. This purple colored solution in this we have non-metals that used as antiseptics. Used as antiseptics. Okay. So at the time of wound, so we apply this purple colored solution tincture, right now. So we use the this like antiseptics. Okay now. And also non-metals are used in crackers. These are the some uses of non-metals. So these are the non-metals uses and these are the metals uses. Okay. This is the completion of our chapter metals and non-metals. So completion is not a big thing or not an important thing. You should read once. Okay na? Read once your writing notes, running notes. I will give the complete description notes to you. And in the next class we will discuss some exercises question. All exercises questions will be solved in the next video. Okay, ma? Thank you.